Yes, greetings. Cheche was feeling now. And the Latin Palace is so my acquaintance. Nesibidi, the home command. Mini I'm gonna for special you to me. But some can't send me to respect to Captain Smart. Any few journalists are more Ghana. The corner woman say, Ghana never won in painful. We are comfort. Omuyen pay BSC di book credit the mom. Omuyen painful BSC di book and I see a D to say, ye mom respect to crowd. Omuye would differ and Casanka. Them catch them you to move from vote man shudder because I don't know about Chamus say accountability and I say ye penina and I say you be so D a many anima. Send it also be mine. And yet, because the same way conform me. And these name people are conform political party and some go to Omudino a politicians and your politricks. Omud tricks no mukuten omud. I say this uncle is some nature. AJ womb and I said this time you woman. And yes, uncle says some you be see a TB more. And Banamugu market and the more my womb Colamuco school in a Munsi Samadrion. Yen tenam kwa sumi sa ana ndisi na MPP mpemfo mo betre yesu nyina mu nyina dwemfi akonfo nkasankasa sa akonfo omu na akonfo na nkaso mu sey kuro no nti yeni ne na kwa mbedu akọ e ba obeya accountability omu office omu nyomu ewie Ghana ska no omu wie ska no na kwa mbedu akọ ba jiwe na mpese mi kasa asem mi di kirem wo but Since name ekona me hwe since Ghana ekona hwe minim se nkola ne de bebre ni abakoso oye na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no wo party no de ba no ni symbol e den ne kwa mbedi akomun check oba starting the life no o kire mo kan bibi but mu bebre mu fuma adwen ko o si ne be pa mo musika so mfokoto bibi no no de no adia aso mu de tonu nyu no de ekoto biscuit na se bibi no no de no wendi o but odukoto akoko no de start say o start so a poultry farm nti o kan se mi kire Ghana for nte enye Jimmy Sambi o Ghana for no mun pay for no mu no mai ma dwen se kwasesem no be de be wi ska de amom na mo chechem nkofo na NDC MPP edwan sa kwasesem mu ntwam wo any special ye lawyers ni ye judges na ton George no mugu Ghana no sa pay for no mugu sa court no mudi nkosese mo ntwam wo ye pa because Ghana some person ye butu na e be butu na amom ko mu nyina mo ti ho ena mudi mbra nkosembla na mudi bu Ghana akufo ado bo be wie mama bo be wie Ghana ska mo anka hwi akufo ado ba we bubutu kronu upside down mutiti wo hwe yemfo bia nkokoto gine se ade wo ye ena sa minister of doom say different than light of oba we Jimmy papa oyare oye mama ba we Jimmy oye konfo oyo confront kasanga Nkrumah no si akosombo no si won ye na no si akosombo uka so no nunya so de akosombo ni si wo mama ne yete asita mama be na problem wo light system no ehu but onu so onye bi owo critical thinking 21 dream say ye light no na Ghana ni be anye light any power bank do ko si be gu Ghana no and akosombo obetuma supply Ghana ntem ka chemu se mu ye ma adwe ndi MPP bi mu. So when you better Ghana, the moon and mobile bressa, bread and mobile brew. Yeah, the Benin papa, maybe be a burger, go drink good water so that our life will be more better and clean. You know? Yes. You better consume sa a would way. This time they say the same. This time they say the same ankasa. See changes in your pen. I don't know abano. Nkrumah no aba. Mumfa ni mebindi agro. Onu lasha na ekono no be renew. ono le hye ne kwan no obi nwini ankasa nti mamum ye madwen se mu ko didi nkosesem bia wo youth no mamum fa madwen bia men this name PP akufo adoni nkofo ni mahama ne nkofo nyina omu ye jimifo omu nyina omu ye akofo jimi yese nkofo jimi omu no nti ye ikromofo ne yeti wona ya adwene yesi ya adwene don ye mfa ya adwuma san kwasiafo we omu be tena Ghana 32 ye den no mo aye man emane wo me ye nimpa ne wo me ye yahin ye yahin wo krom wo muntumi hwe ikrom kro muntumi sesi na ye nimpa ne yetim no ne bi no so ejimi nyomu didi omochi me makacha youth no he omudi omuzika ba gidi ba e vote be ma shade wa say ikru na me shada obebidi Ghana to the standard of this millennium onye bi ob skabine ha no ana say e combine den no empeyfo no mu didi ndc echi na MPP si no mu hihye echi ne beble mo tokoke say yentumi enkacha mu nkachira mu ade na sa powder ne yedi sen kola no Ghana no sa koke ne ama boys wo mu no mu ndwi omunju says obeto atare crash no omudwuma mu ya no omudwuma mu yewa nema nya oba tampa no boy aba na de yusu a ebeboan no mokodi abofu na chi na sesa nema bi enye na omudi blankola no wa Africa na ekunkum boys yes boys ni adwi desa omumu nya adwi no mu nyu se yekro na se tumpuru munje sa jimi no mu youth no mu pese mu di echi munje na mu di shede echi because baby ye kono and ya group na pese di ye man ye pese man etum pro ankasa ye metro bi kromi ya nko sa ye be krom so na ye krom de poto ye ntie sa na ye mani bi no kron na ye hwe na be mo shemu kan first time shade pie no obabi ye sister bi ba no se mu Ghana fo mu nye smart ana we ba kwatron we tene kwasia na president bi abija na wunya wusika wan na wunya sika we sankofo omu ye confusion so ye sumo mu so mu bomba so ba omu rankasa shada no smart chom omu nyomu so so odi akondwe na odo omu nyina beko yakodza mu bebia mu munya musika no mu ba kire ye good na de na motu no mawiwi sika no de sisi kwasia radio station na de Ghana no accountability be ye dwuma Ghana mu ka sa gobini ni omudi wo nti yituma mu di sa kakwa da bite play no we serious pa ye life pa no nkofo no mudi tu echacha no NDC bi ye joko bia kuku bia no be uko Asante Frank sa mu youth mu hwe akufo ado obae ne den oye no kumase krom mama incarnates wonde no oye enye shada num ne ye nuanum kakanka mu ye develop so mu develop akran kakra it se bola mama ne mo mbe ye nyina bush no mko yi because omu ya kronfo mu nya de ne physical me yehu airport no krom so mu ye ukoditi so be se enye sa ade ne eye 100% Ghana ne control se ne nyen kosesam ye kote ya de no binim control so Jimmy nti ye vote na se mu de ba shada new force no na se mu vote man ese mu vote no shada ne ye hotoyin. What I'm trying to tell you Ghanaians is that I know so some of the notness and the way people know the year the tree that I'm speaking or the fancy that I'm speaking. I said you people, the youth of Ghana from 18 years going, give your vote to Shada. We tire for slavery, we tire for sufferation, we tire for this mentality. We want accountability our country to move. This criminal enterprise that NDC and PP set up in Ghana, we are going to break this enterprise down for us to get freedom. That is what Shada brings, freedom. Freedom for money, freedom for life, freedom for everything. That's what the youth need now. They need it for future children that they are born, they never born safe. Look Ghana, look our road. Our grandfather Nkuma, Idu Akusombo, the biggest dam for West Africa. He can supply the whole West Africa. 32 after Nkrumah left more than 10-15 years ago. They bring the democracy. Runs come he tried to do, but Runs too is not a really. He sees some evil that is going on, so he come and clear those things, and those people still come back. Now they come more with all those their dirty pastors and things to come and destroy the Ghana. We are going to chase all of them. We are going to chase all of them with occult and things and come and try to destroy this generation. We never. We have our culture. We pour liberation. That is the original prayer that black man need or every Ghana citizen need to call your ancestors. You know, to call your ancestors. We don't need any bogus, any religion from any concept, anything that is not for we, is not for us. We don't need it. That's why we want a shadow to come and set up our country for us. We want a competent leader to come and set up our country for us. We're tired. African politicians are murderers. They are killers. The leaders that lead Africans, they are really wicked. They are the devil that they are talking. So we, the African people, don't know. We don't want to take up this again. This criminal enterprise that all of them have. With the colonial masters, we are going to break these chains. And we are going to set everyone free. That's Jacob, Caesar. That's the come. You're not going to be there. Because 3 years, I told you people, he's going to rule Ghana for 3 years. And after 3 years, he's going to take over Africa. Because his work that he himself is doing is done in Ghana. The developer, you have it. The Millennium City is going to put in Takrady. And the rest, Ghana is going to change within short time. It's not going to take no time. Everybody walk Ghana, going to say, yes, we are walking on land of gold. It's not slavery mentality thing. That's our grandfather tell us in Kuma. Things that is coming to our brothers and sisters start falling out, bringing dirty things to where we don't want it again. Sheda is the president of Ghana. Any means and rules. The electoral commission, if you like, make it go bring new machine, do all kind of rubbish. He's going to win. And in this election, if you don't win, all of them must pack their bag the same way and go to their house. Because all the people in parliament, the ministers, all they are old men that they don't have no good concept for us. They don't have no impact for this generation. Some of them say can't use computer. Please, Ghana youth, give your vote to Sheda. Because this is the only way we are going to get the new Ghana and new Africa. I thank everybody. Because this is the time. It's not play. And the respect to the Moshe and the Captain Smart. These are the people that when they talk to, they fight against them. When this is from town or this will come to the media and trying to tell them the truth, they find it hard because they know so what they are doing is stupidness, very foolishness. You, Bame, what do you think that you are coming to do in Ghana? We are not fools, so you and Mama, two of you from North, coming to bring us down. You lie. The way Ashanti make coups many years, it didn't work. Democracy, the two of you still come with the Northness still. Look at Atamis. It's just only 2 years. See what Atamis started putting together. Before Mahama come with the same criminal enterprise. The same criminal enterprise. That's what Mahama bring to us. What kind of country we want? We Ghana youth, what kind of country we want? We want to live inside slavery? No way. We need to change our attitude. We need to change our mentality. We need to think for positive, for our country to grow. That's what we are talking about. It's not living in slavery. We're tired for this kind of life. We will never go on like this. So the youth, please, those who are in university, support Nana Kwambedia because it's going to change the curriculum of the education in Africa. You can't go to school and go get a degree for nothing. The degree, there's nothing coming out of degree. If you don't have handwork, you don't have no talent, the life safe is going to tire you. You can't go and sit office and pen and paper. It's past. Those things is gone. Don't think that you are going to school and come and be a lawyer. All this is nonsense. Safe. End of the day, it tend to corruption. It tend to killer in the society. It tend to devil to society. You see the truth, you turn it. You see red, you turn into blue. You don't want all those kind of people. You want the truth and right. They do the right thing. That's what we are saying now. So I will vote go to Anakwam Bediako, the new force. Thank you very much. Thank every each one. If you never subscribe, try to subscribe. You know, so that you can anytime the new things come, you can hear what we are advocating for. The good governance and good people in Ghana and Africa, because we're tired. We black people sometimes make the white people look like we don't have sense. It's lie. Because we will choose some dirty people, some people that they don't deserve to lead us. They force themselves on us, and then they come and put pains and tears in us. We don't need that. Thank each and everyone. Blessed, eh?